and this is how the hair turned out. I love it. Like, it's so pretty. I love the way that the color is like peeking through at the bottom. Love that so much. The girls are gonna love this. But you, okay, y'all, so I have on the unit. Now this one is just like the black one that everybody loves so much, but this one has color, which I am really excited about. I do want to show you guys the lace on the unit. Looks pretty cute. So this is a pre-everything unit, pre-plucked, pre-bleached. Lace is cut, but I had to cut it a little bit more, of course, because y'all know it comes like crinkly. And then this is the little curls on the ends. Really cute, but y'all know we don't walk around with the curls on the ends. But it's cute. The hair is really, really soft. This unit can be worn glueless. Deep parting on the unit, so we love that. Here is the color. So pretty. I cannot wait to style this. I love how the color is blended in there. Can y'all see that? Really, really pretty. Love the curls. Gorgeous, gorgeous curls. So I am going to style this the way that I would wear it. To get the full luscious curls, you want to wash and condition the hair. So I'm going to wash and condition it while it's on my head. That's why I decided to go ahead and use some spray to spray the lace down, because I'm going to be wearing this unit because I love this unit. But again, here is the little curls at the end. And I think it's really cute, really fun unit. So I'm going to go ahead and wash it. So it is several hours later, and this is how the hair turned out. I love it. Like, it's so pretty. I love the way that the color is like peeking through at the bottom. Love that so much. The girls are gonna love this, but you guys are gonna see it first. So the description box has all of the information. I have my light off because I want you guys to see the color as much as possible. It's still a little damp, but the color is like around here, and I love that. Like, I like how the color is just kind of peeking through. This is the back. It's still a little damp, which is the way that I like it. And then, as you guys can see, I like to cut the bangs in the front. But how cute is this? Like, everybody loved, okay, loved the last one. So I know you girls are gonna love, love, love this one just as much as I do. So if you guys are interested in this unit, I'll have all the information along with the discount code in the description box below.